Good morning. You are most welcome in Dr. Saurabh sir classes. In this video series, we are going to discuss the solution of the TIFR GS Chemistry examination. Tata Institute Foundation Research in Chemistry. In the preparation of this examination, you can join this video series. In the previous videos, we have discussed the solution of the some questions of the question paper of the 2026. And in this examination, questions are completely based on the concept clarity and thinking ability. Okay, you will get a proper solution of the questions on the basis of the concept clarity as well as the your thinking ability and analytical skill. And start the solution of the question number third. In the question number third, consider a small area element with area ds. Now this question based on the solid chemistry and placed at a distance r from the origin. See diagram below. In this diagram, all conditions are given. Which area? Area is the ds. Okay, this area we are talking about this area, and here n vector is a unit vector pointing in a direction normal to the area element ds. It is an n vector. There are the two types of the vector present, n vector as well as the unit pointing in a direction normal to the area element ds. Okay, and which at angle gamma with the radial direction denoted by the r vector, small r vector, and theta is the angle with z axis, and making an angle with the z axis theta. Okay, and what is the correct expression of the solid angle Delon dissociate with this area element? They are asking about a solid angle D associated with this area element. We can solve this question on the basis of the concept, and there are the four options are given for D value. Okay, now start the question with their proper concept. So now start the solution. And what is the concept? In this question, they are talking about the any type of the solid angle, right? The definition of the solid angle. So first you will find the what is a solid angle. So now write the definition of the solid angle. Solid angle is the projection of the area. Projection of the area. Okay, element, which area in which the element is present, element onto a sphere, divided by onto sphere divided by the square of the radius. Okay, and now if in our question the value of the gamma is given, if gamma is angle between the surface normal and surface normal n vector and the radial r vector. Okay, there are the two types of the vector is present, and the projection area, or we can say the projected area in this surface is ds cos. Okay, ds cos, and the solid angle will be the ds rho is equal to ds cos, because of the area is ds cos angle, and we can write here ds cos gamma divided by r square. It is the projection angle. We are talking about the projection angle, and in this area ds cos, it is the projection angle. Okay, in this picture you can find this angle. You can find this angle because of the here is a present. Okay. So you can solve this question on the basis of the some concept. Thank you.